If you have the credit card of Care and if you're trying to log into it, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm going to show you the process and the website from where you can log in to your credit card account of Care. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in without any further ado. To log into your credit card account of Care, you'll need to open up the website, which is carecredit.com. Once you search this up on the search bar of your web browser, it's going to take you to the website. Now from the website, to log into your account, you can see a login button on the top right. If you are registered as a provider of Care, you can also log in to your provider account of Care by clicking on the For Provider option. But to log into your credit card account, click on the login on the top right and choose the consumer login. Once you do, it's going to take you to the sign in section. Now first of all, you need to type in the username that you created while signing. And in the second box, also make sure to type in the password. If you want to confirm your password, you can click on the show password option to reveal this password. But in case you don't remember either your username or the password of your account, you can click on the I forgot my username link or the password link to recover your username or your password. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your username, you can check this box. This way you do not need to type in your username each time you visit this website. And lastly, you can click on the login option and you'll be successfully logged in to your credit card account of CareCredit. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.